Alrighty traders, George here, and time for a look at the week in review as well as the trades of the week. What we'll look at in this brief video will be the day trade performance from the live room. I also want to make some comments about the red zone market that we have, and we'll also take a look at the position trades from the balance beam setup video from just 3 days ago. So for starters, let's look at the day trade performance. We had 3 mornings, Tuesday through Thursday, 2 hours a morning here. So in 6 hours did $2,131 after commission, and that's at a 52% win rate. I actually gave back some of the gains on Thursday from the chop, but overall the highest per hour clip that we've seen since mid-August. To go along with this, we've had an increase in market speed as well as the range. That's what a red zone market is, and it will magnify any problems that you have. If you have any strengths, it can magnify them as well, and that's what's happening for us on the DSR model. Able to get a little bit better expectancy, get our per hour clip up to well over $300 now. Very good trading there for 6 hours in the morning. Now for the position trades on the balance beam, I showed you some setups just a few mornings ago, and we finally got the follow through for oil and the S&P. So for the S&P, this was the setup. Here's a screenshot from the actual video. This is just from 3 mornings ago. Essentially, the long got triggered here as we rallied up, and that booked the gain to target 1 to 1900 even. The larger scale setups did not materialize, so there was literally one trade that happened for the S&P, and that looked like this. I just took the screenshot a second ago, so it's fresh out of the screen capture kitchen here. This is price as of this morning here. You can see we tagged this target 1 here perfectly, and that's 13.5 points. So that's $675 per contract, and Friday we are now done. So that's only one trade for the S&P on the balance beam per the strategy I showed you. So for oil, we actually just went straight down and made some historic new lows here, and we had a sharp recovery and then finally a trigger of the long entry point and no looking back all the way to target 3 here. Trail stops not taken out, initial stop losses not taken out. That's $1.54 or $1,540 per contract there, and that's all flat at this point, and you can see the extension still cooking there. So one trade in the S&P, one trade in oil futures there from the balance beam side, putting up some big gains just on those 2 trades, as well as some great performance out of the DSR model for the day trading that we saw in the live room. Be aware that we do have a red zone market out there. It will magnify any problems that you have with your trading. We'll talk about that more in the live room next Tuesday. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you back in the live room.